Hello friends, welcome back to the UPSC Freaks. As we have started a test series for FCAT in which we are going to cover 100 MCQs and out of which we have already covered 30 MCQs in the last 3 classes, and today we are going to cover 10 more questions, that is question number from 31 to 40. So let's start with today's class with 31st question. Women, Business and Law 2020 is published by A. World Bank Group, B. IMF, C. Asian Development Bank, or is it D. New Development Bank? So the right answer is World Bank Group. Recently, World Bank Group has released the Women, Business and Law 2020 edition. This index or this study has analyzed law and regulations affecting women's economic opportunities in 119 countries, 190, and out of which India has been ranked 117th rank. So, this is the important point which you must need to know about this question. Let's move on to the next question. 32nd question. The first Indian Science Congress was held at A. Bombay, B. Delhi, C. Calcutta, or is it D. Madras? So the right answer is C. Calcutta. The first edition of Indian Science Congress was held in Calcutta in the year 1914, and this Indian Science Congress was organized by Indian Science Congress Association, that is ISCA, which is headquartered in Calcutta. So our ISCA headquarter is in Calcutta. Now, why was this Indian Science Congress in the news? Recently, the 107th edition of Indian Science Congress was organized in Bangalore. And the theme of this time Indian Science Congress was rural development. And this was the first time when a farmer science congress was held in the history of Indian Science Congress. So that is why this question becomes important. Let's move on to the next question. The first Zoo Kutpai festival was held in A. Tripura, B. Assam, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Punjab. So the right answer is Tripura. The first edition of Zoo Kutpai was recently held in Tripura. The festival then moved on to other states in the country and also to countries such as USA, Bangladesh, which have a Mizo population. So, you need to remember 3 important points regarding this question. That is, this is the first edition of Zoo Kutpai, then it was held in Tripura, and then this is the festival of Mizo people or Mizo population. So let's move on to the next question. Nagoba Jatra, a tribal festival, was held recently in A. Jharkhand, B. Telangana, C. Mizoram, or D. Chhattisgarh. So the right answer is Telangana. A 1 month long Nagoba Jatra was recently held in the state of Telangana. This is the second biggest tribal carnival and is celebrated by Meshram clan of Gond tribes. And tribal people from Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and MP belonging to Meshuram community or Meshuram clan come and participate in this carnival or festival. So let's move on to the next question. 35th question. Which of the following African country wants to replicate Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana? So the options are A. Kenya, B. South Africa, or is it C. Ghana, or is it D. Nigeria? So the right answer is C. Ghana. Also, the capital of Ghana is Accra. ACRRA. Also, in addition to that, Ghana has signed an MOU with IOC, that is Indian Oil Corp, seeking its assistance and technical expertise in implementing Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana in Ghana. Also, if you have time, then you can see what is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. Let's move on to the next question. 36th question. Which of the following countries does not border Persian Gulf? So the options are A. Iran, B. Saudi Arabia, or is it C. Iraq, or is it D. Syria? So the right answer is Syria. Now, why was Persian Gulf in the news? There are two reasons why Persian Gulf was in the news. The first reason is because of Iran USA tension, and the second reason was Hormuz Peace Initiative HPI, which was led by Iran to stabilize the Strait of Hormuz, which saw participation from key regional players including Oman, India, Afghanistan, and China. So, you need to see what all are the countries which border Persian Gulf and with their capitals. Let's move on to the next question. 37th question. What is the capital of Norway? The options are A. Bern, B. Stockholm, C. Oslo, or is it D. Helsinki? So the right answer is Oslo. Now, why was Norway in the news? The first session of India-Norway Dialogue on Trade and Investment was convened in the New Delhi. Also, one more important point regarding Norway is that India has two important polar research stations in Norway. The name of these polar research stations are, the first is Himadri and the second is India or IND-ARC. So you need to remember these points regarding Norway. Let's move on to the next question. 38th question. The second NIC, that is National Informatics Center Tech Conclave 2020 was held at A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Chennai, or is it D. Calcutta? So the right answer is Delhi. The Tech Conclave, which was organized by the NIC, was recently inaugurated in New Delhi by the Union Minister of Electronics and Information Technology. Also, let us see some important point regarding NIC. The NIC was established in the year 1976, and since its inception, the NIC has been providing e-governance and information and communication technology support to the government and the states of India. With that, let's move on to the next question. 39th question. Which organization has not organized Wings India 2020? So the options are A. DRDO, B. Ministry of Civil Aviation, C. Airport Authority of India, or is it D. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry? Here we have to say which of the organization has not. So the right answer is DRDO. Recently, Wings India 2020 was organized at Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad between 12th to 15th March 2020. Also, this event was jointly organized by Ministry of Civil Aviation, Airport Authority of India, and Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Also, this is the Asia's largest gathering in the aviation industry. So, with that, let's move on to the next question. 40th question. International Summit on Women in STEM, that is Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, was held at A. Geneva, B. New Delhi, C. New York, or is it D. Davos? So the right answer is New Delhi. Now, this summit was organized by Department of Biotechnology, which comes under Ministry of Science and Technology of India. Now, why was this summit held in India? According to some reports, women are underrepresented in the STEM field, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics field. And according to another report by UNESCO, women's contribution to STEM research and development, that is R&D, is only 29%. So to increase this 29 percentage, these international summits are being held across the world. With that, we have completed 10 questions for today. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Your support will be appreciated. Thank you.